Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are the 1st of July 2024. And on the first day of the month, we always take a look at the Windows market share. Kind of an interesting look at where is Windows 10, Windows 11 heading as we are going slowly towards the end of support for Windows 10 next year. So this month there's a nice jump for Windows 11, and it's almost an equivalent drop for Windows 10. Windows 10 is now down to 66.1%. That is down from 68.3 in May, and it was 69.9 in April. So it is dropping. And of course that drop is pretty much equivalent to the rise of Windows 11. Windows 11 almost at 30%, 29.7. We expect that 30% will be passed next month in August. So 29.7% for Windows 11. That was 27.67 in May. So that's 2%, pretty much a 2% rise, as Windows 10 has a 2% drop. So we are moving ahead. And if it would keep this rhythm, we would have a Windows 11 that could surpass 40% by the end of the year. Now, that's starting to take momentum a little. Same thing here with Windows 10. That drop, if it continues, would mean that by the end of the year, it would be at 54% roughly. But, anything can happen. There could be a slowdown in the progression. But a lot of analysts are saying, well, I think Windows 11 is starting to get its momentum because a lot of new PCs are going to be sold in the next 6 months. So almost 1/3 of all the PCs out there are on Windows 11. Next month, if we're at 31 in 2 months, 33, that would mean in 2 months, 1 out of 3 computers would be a Windows 11. So we're going to continue watching this. It's an interesting fight to see Windows 11, Windows 10 together as we progress towards 2024, and especially when we'll be next year at 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.